I'm right outside of my building, and my room is right there. We got a nice window there. But right out here is a old, like a ruins of another building that probably used to be there, that probably did something, but don't think it was a house. It could have been something else there. But yeah, okay, we're gonna go exploring now. Here we go. Well, there's my quarters. We're gonna walk up this trail here, and it goes up to a bunch of steps up there. The trail goes up there, so we're gonna take our time because I'm by myself now. There's no rush or anything here. Temperature's not bad. Just have my long sleeve shirt, a little vest on here. I'll probably get warm as I'm walking because it's going to be uphill. And there's a noise back there. Sound like an animal or something in there. But anyhow, all right. Steps ahead. Well, maybe we're not going to take the steps. Oh, here's the RCMP place. Let's see what this is here. There's supposed to be an exhibit in there, but I don't know if it's open. Well, the RCMP building is staff only, so we can't go in here. So, alright, we're going to go back down on our trail. We're going to follow it down to the church, I hope. Okay. Well, here's another viewpoint. Came down from that building in the middle, stopped at the RCMP, which is closed, staff only. There's the loft down there and the dining room underneath, and the dock and all the buildings we explored earlier. And we're coming up here. Yeah. Keep on going, working our way up to the church up here. Okay, let's press on here. Well, here's the church here. Made it up here. And we're going to go inside. And there's a little sign down here. So I gotta watch my step here. There's some pipes here. Let's see what this sign says here. The 3 R's, the community schoolhouse, which I guess was one of these. That might have been the schoolhouse, the yellow building, I think there. So let's see what it says here. There's the kids. I don't know, this guy up here looks like she's doing something to his head there. I don't know what, bothering that kid. And yeah, because the schoolhouse might have had a bell on top to ring the bell for when school was in session. And I don't see anything around here, but maybe the bell thing fell off of that. I don't know, I may have to try to walk up there. We'll see, but let's go into church here. Okay, well, the church is in an ideal spot looking out over the water here. Let's see, it's the St. James Anglican Church, 1852 to 1857 here. All right. Okay, just in case some churchgoers needed to go, the call of nature comes, you got your outhouse there, right outside there, so rather convenient. Slopes down to the water, so it gets the stuff out of the way here. And all right, let's go inside here. All right, the old steps here. Here we go. We're inside the church. Yeah. Wow, they're pretty nice inside. Here, we'll walk up. I don't know if Anglican church is supposed to take your hat off or not, but I did, just out of respect. And I guess they had the potbelly stove here with the chimney going up here to keep all the parishioners warm here in the cold of the winter and the wind and everything. And here we got the organ up here. It's a pump organ. You got to pump that baby there to sing those songs. We got the collection plate. People want to leave a few coins, they're more than welcome to. I don't think I have any on me here. And we got the altar up here, and their altar is just like a cross and some lights and some candles. I'm not familiar with the Anglican church here, so and those don't look like real stained glass, I don't think. Could be, maybe not original, I'm not sure. I think the wind kind of would have broke them. And here you want to read from the pulpit to the people out there. You got your regular pulpit there, This might be just a lectern. And here is just your vestments to get ready. In what we would call the sacristy. I don't know what they call it in the Anglican church. And come up here. You got your, when you go in the pulpit, you got to kind of go up here and climb up the steps here. I want to go in the pulpit here. And oh yeah, you're pretty high. I could see where all eyes would be upon you here to be preaching out to everybody here in the church. Yeah, all right. Got the Bible already laid out here. Psalm 23. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Okay. And this must be the baptismal font here, I would take a guess at here. I'm not too familiar with Anglican churches, but the pew's looking in pretty good shape and well maintained. Here's a little model of the church, I guess, for you to put money in if you want to donate in here. That's kind of neat. But yeah, pretty good, nice little church here. Really, yeah. All right, we're going to head back out. You go up to the top there. I don't know if there's a bell up there or not. I can't see. There might be something up there, but I can't see. I can't see. And you come out here, now the church, and come out here. Here you go. Oh, this came back from the church, walking back. Couldn't find a cemetery. It's supposed to be up there somewhere, but couldn't find it. Come by ranger station here. Don't know if there's anything in there or what. It's got the British flag up there. So, I don't know. Don't understand that. But, okay, heading back to the loft here. Gonna have a nice brew.
Hey, friends.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead, you're filming.
Okay, we're getting off the boat here. Arr. Coming up here. Okay, we're back on land here. Make our way up here. Nice day today. Very nice here. Wind is calm. Overcast, but there was a little sun trying to peek through here. But yeah, we're going to be back on the bus now. Let's walk on up.